Hey, I'm Sean Bonner from NetBlogs, and I'm here with Kevin Reeve from On Point Tactical, and he's got some cool stuff to show us.
Hey guys, what we're going to talk about a little bit is lockpicking today. Most of you are familiar, I'm sure, with our typical lockpicking tools. A tension wrench and a pick, which is inserted and operated in such a way to manipulate and open the lock. So that being said, we're going to talk about improvised lockpicks. A couple of simple things that can be made into lockpicks. One is a pair of paper clips. 2 paper clips makes a fairly good lockpick set. I'm going to open the pick all the way out. I mean the paper clip all the way out. Bend it right in the center. Flatten it as flat as I can get it, and I'll use a pair of pliers to do this quicker, like so, and bend it. This is now about the right size and width. I'll go a little flatter on that to act as a tension wrench. And the nice thing about this particular tension wrench is that the metal is mild steel, which means it will bend easily if you put too much pressure, which is an aid to your lockpicking. So there's the tension wrench. I'm going to open this out part way, and if I want to make a lifter pick, I just put a little bend in the tip, and that's sufficient to pick most locks, but I may want to make a little bit of a rake, so I can put a couple of bends in it. Straighten it out.
Alright, so this is a paper clip as a tension wrench and a safety pin as a pick.
Correct. This is a Sargent lock. It's a 6-pin lock, and that went pretty easily. Takes a couple of rakes.
Nice. Now let's look at those tools.
Here's our tension wrench. There's one pick, there's a lifter. There's another, there's a rake, there's a lifter. There's a paper clip rake.
Awesome. And you're teaching this in the Urban Escape and Evasion class.
This is the Urban Escape and Evasion class. This is one of several skills that we teach to help you escape from custody and move to safety from a dangerous location to a safe location.
Cool. Thanks very much.
Very good, thanks.